Imagine walking into your garden every single month and finding fruit ready to pick, not just in summer, not just during a special season, every single month. The good news? There are fruit trees that keep producing continuously or in repeated cycles throughout the year, especially with modern dwarf and everbearing varieties available in 2025. And most of them don't need much space or maintenance. Today, let's explore 12 super productive fruit trees you'll harvest every month. If you love fresh fruit and easy gardening, this list will make you very happy. 1. Everbearing mulberry. This tree is a machine. The everbearing types produce fruit from spring all the way to early winter in warm climates. Even in cooler areas, they fruit multiple times a year. They grow fast, need almost no care, and birds absolutely adore them. 2. Barbados cherry. This small tree produces bright red cherries several times a year. It's famous for having one of the highest natural vitamin C levels. It handles heat, poor soil, and even light drought. Perfect for patios or small backyards. 3. Dwarf banana plants. Bananas produce in cycles. After one stem fruits, another starts growing. With dwarf varieties like dwarf Cavendish, you can harvest bananas every few months. They love warmth, moisture, and rich soil, but they're very forgiving. 4. Calamandan orange. This tiny citrus tree fruits almost nonstop. It's great for small spaces, balconies, or indoor sunny corners. The fruits are sour and perfect for drinks, teas, and cooking. It's one of the easiest citrus trees for beginners. 5. Papaya tree. Papayas grow fast, often fruiting within a year. Once they start, they keep producing for months at a time. They like sun, warmth, and well-drained soil. The dwarf papaya varieties stay small and are perfect for home gardens. 6. Guava. Guava trees are unbelievably generous. Many varieties fruit 2 to 3 times a year. They tolerate heat, humidity, and even occasional neglect. The fruit is fragrant, sweet, and perfect for smoothies. 7. Passion fruit vine. This vine isn't a tree, but it deserves a spot on the list. It produces multiple flushes of fruit every year. Just give it a strong support and full sun. The fruit is tangy, aromatic, and incredibly healthy. 8. Fig tree. Figs naturally produce 2 crops a year, breba in early summer and the main harvest in late summer or fall. Some newer varieties fruit almost continuously in warm climates. They love containers, warm soil, and minimal fuss. 9. Lemon tree. Lemons are one of the few fruit trees that can bloom and fruit at the same time. A healthy Meyer lemon can give fruit year-round. The tree is compact, great for pots, and easy to care for. 10. Pomegranate. Pomegranates can produce multiple fruiting cycles in warm regions. They're incredibly tough, drought-tolerant, and pest-resistant. The flowers are beautiful, and the fruit is packed with antioxidants. 11. Star fruit. Star fruit trees produce several harvests throughout the year. The fruit is juicy, crisp, and shaped like little stars. The tree grows well in warm climates and needs surprisingly little maintenance. 12. Loquat tree. Loquats are early season champions. Some varieties produce a main crop in spring and a smaller one later in the year. They grow well with minimal care and stay evergreen all year long. The fruit is sweet, tangy, and refreshing. Tell me which of these fruit trees you want to grow first. If you enjoy gardening tips like this, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to share more simple growing ideas with you in the next video.